You found a great product in China, but then the shipping quote arrives. It's 40% higher than you expected. We see this all the time. Hidden fees in shipping can completely wipe out your profit margins. Last month, one client almost lost $8,000 because they didn't account for port congestion surcharges. Shipping costs aren't just one number. They're four main components. First, freight charges, what you pay to move the goods. Second, customs duties and taxes. Third, various port and terminal fees. Fourth, inland transportation from the Chinese factory to the port, and from your port to your warehouse. For ocean freight, you need to know your CBM, cubic meters. A standard 20-foot container holds about 33 CBM. You'll pay based on that volume, plus fuel surcharges that change weekly, and terminal handling charges. Right now, shipping from Shanghai to LA costs around $1,800 to $2,200 per container, plus about $400 in surcharges. Air freight works differently. Carriers charge by chargeable weight, either actual weight or volumetric weight, whichever is higher. Volumetric weight is length times width times height in centimeters, divided by 60/100. Then add security fees, which are usually 20 to 30 cents per kilogram, and customs clearance fees that average $150 to $300 per shipment. Customs duties aren't just on your product cost. They're calculated on the total value, product cost plus shipping plus insurance. This is called CIF value. If your products are worth $10,000 and shipping is $2,000, with a 5% duty rate, you'll pay $600, not $500. Get the HS code right. Wrong codes mean wrong rates. Here's where importers get surprised. Demurrage charges if your container sits at the port too long, that's $100 to $200 per day after the free time expires. Detention fees for keeping the container too long. Documentation fees that some forwarders add last minute. And currency fluctuations, a 5% yuan change can add hundreds to your bill. You need the right tools. Use freight calculators from major shipping lines. Maersk and CMA CGM have good ones. Look up HS codes on official government sites, not random blogs. Understand Incoterms. If you're buying FOB, you pay from the port onward. EXW means you handle everything from the factory door. This is where we help. Our team negotiates with 12 different shipping partners in China, getting rates 15 to 25% lower than what you'd find alone. We handle all the documentation, commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin. And we watch for those hidden fees, catching them before they hit your invoice. Let's look at a real example. A client shipped 500 units of kitchen gadgets. Their initial quote was $4,200. We recalculated, actual CBM was 20% less than estimated, found a better fuel surcharge rate, avoided unnecessary documentation fees, and got a volume discount. Final cost, $3,150. That's 25% savings just from proper calculation.